What's up guys, Ava here from Fasttunes, and today we had this 24 Street Glide come in for a dyno tuning appointment. We were having some misfiring issues on the dyno, and we determined that the problem is the stock Harley-Davidson ignition coil pigtail. So we took that off and we're fixing to install the Impact Wiring Solutions coil pigtail into this Harley, put it back on the dyno, tune it again, and get it ready to go out to the customer. So this is just basically a walkthrough of how that's done and what causes this problem in the misfiring from the stock pigtail coil. So let's just get right into it.
We make horsepower, not excuses. Burn rubber, leave them toothless. Fasttunes where the legends are made. Dyno tested, our throne's been laid.
So this 24 Street Glide come off the dyno today. It was here for a tune appointment, but we noticed that it did have a misfire to it.
I was just seeing some misfiring in here and in these RPM ranges. Even with going through a couple times trying to clean it up, it was still missing, so we pretty much knew what it was from there.
It's all over the internet. Everybody knows the factory coil pigtail on it, the way it's zip tied up. It's got a problem. So we've got the Impact Wiring Solutions pigtail to go on this bike today. Clay's going to be replacing it. We're going to pull this gas tank off and show you guys exactly what goes into putting this on.
All right, so you're going to take your 1/2-inch socket and take out the 4 bolts holding the tank on. Make sure you disconnect all the wires to it and the quick connect under the tank. Then next you're going to unplug the pigtail. It's got the tab. Just pull it out and pop it right down. And you're going to fish it up. And then there is where your problem lies from the factory. They put this zip tie on there, just push your wires in a bind. That's not good. And then here's what we're going to be putting on by Impact. It's got this nice spring in the wire here. Keep it all tidy, keep it from getting in a hard bind and creating the same problem.
Actually sponsored by Impact. Oh, just got to have enough energy to get through the day here at Fasttunes.
Where did you get that?
It's kind of top secret. Got it from Steve Guggen.
Oh.
Then next you're going to take your seam ripper and run it all the way back to the tape. Then next you're going to cut your wires, but make sure you leave enough for yourself to work with. About right in there. And then next you're going to take your wire strippers and set it in there. Strip the wires like that. Alright, we got the wires tinned on both sides. Make sure you have your wire loom, and then also make sure you have your heat shrink before you start, and then we're just going to solder the wires together. Got all the wires soldered with the heat shrink on, and just tidy it up. It's ready to plug in. And just fishing it back through, putting it in its back to its factory spot. Guys, out with the old, in with the new. You see it puts it at a real nice angle right there without having to have a zip tie and cause us any more problems. Alright, just putting the gas tank on, making sure we got our vent lines secured to the frame and the tabs. Plug it in and ready to go. Alright, always make sure you put Loctite on every bolt. These Harleys like to shake around.
Alright you guys, we got this replacement ignition coil pigtail in the bike. If you guys want to purchase that, you can go to Impact Wiring Solutions website and get that yourself. But yeah, we're fixing to get her back on the dyno, finish tuning her, and get her out to the customer. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Leave any comments or anything you guys want to see on our channel next. And don't do anything you're not comfortable with, guys. But other than that, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Keep it fast.
We make horsepower, not